got some chunk missing right there. See that? On the other side?
Yeah. So you got two parts there. Maybe one more.
Yeah, there's a washer. That's it.
That's it, sir.
Everything's out.
Yep.
Cool. So that's everything. Now what about this piece here?
That is heated up, installed hot. As it cools, it shrinks down, and it's bolted on. So that's the ring gear. And we can look at the teeth on the ring gear, so flip it all the way over.
Just to inspect?
Yeah, just to inspect. Looks okay.
Looking for any like sharp edges or cracks or anything?
Mainly just teeth like missing.
Broken.
And then
Looks
we
good.
got our pinion gear in there.
Inspect. Rotate.
That looks okay.
Looks good.
Nice. This is our carrier.
What's it say on the top there? Germany.
Right here. SKF bearing. Good brand. It says Germany right there. Alright, and then we got all our parts laid out. So, bolts for the carrier cap. You can machine this to fit extra clutches. You measure the width of the clutch disc and the dog ear. Whatever that number is, you can machine it off of this surface. We got this.
Flat washer.
Flat washer.
Thick. Spring
This one's a
washer.
Bellevue washer. Oiling disc. A much larger Bellevue washer. Dog ear. Clutch. This is the, I guess, for the carrier housing for the spider gears. These sometimes break off. We have a sheared output shaft. That's what's stuck inside of this. It should look like that. The other side of the carrier cap, and then this side of the diff is another clutch, dog ear, Bellevue washer, and this washer you can remove and add another clutch and dog ear to fit 3 clutches, and you can machine that carrier cap if you want to fit a 4th. Then the oiling disc. One of these this is the Bellevue washer, and this is a flat washer.
Would you remove this and change the order of this to put in another clutch and another?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep. Then we got our output shaft that's sheared. The cap. This spacer is side specific, so don't mix them up. This is our passenger side tray. This is the driver side tray. So don't mix and match these spacers. That sets the ring gear left to right. Nice job, Brian.
Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
Free trick.
Oh, we out. Okay, so now we're pressing out the sheared output shaft and hit it.
Welcome back to Rengifo's Garage. Starring Alex.
Woo! So I made this tool to check the clutch lockup on a limited slip. This side acts as a breaker bar. It's bolted to the output flange. This side gives you something in the center to put a torque wrench on. If you can put it on here, it's not an accurate torque reading because it's off center. And we're gonna check what this limited slip starts to spin at. So what are your predictions, Brian? What do you predict?
Definitely less than 65 foot-pounds.
Okay, that's a good guess. I predict it's gonna go to 43 foot-pounds.
Alright, a real prediction. I'm gonna guess 49.
Okay, 49, alright.
Although we're measuring in increments of 10.
We're gonna go to 10, and once we pass it, then we'll go in increments of 1.
Okay.
So what are we doing right now?
We are doing 20 foot-pounds.
Okay,
Here
so
we go.
take your hand off. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got it clicking at 20.
Here's 30. Here's 40. Ooh. This is a freshie. 50.
Oh, damn.
This is a good one. 60.
Spinning.
Slipping.
So it clicked at 50 and it's spinning at 60.
So we're going to go down. We're going to bring this down to 55.
Alright.
Slipping.
Slipping.
We're going to go to 51. Bring closer to the table.
Which way?
That's good.
Okay.
51. 52. Slipping.
Alright, so you got a pretty healthy differential here.